See, the government of India and the health ministry have advised that there is no need for public to wear the mask as such, and they have prescribed three conditions under which only the mask has to be used. And I think today we find in the newspaper also those advisories have been issued who should wear a mask. There are three categories. First is one where somebody is sick or he has history, he has come back from some of the foreign countries where there has been incidence of COVID. He should wear a mask, or he has got a symptom. Second person is one who is taking care of a patient who is either at home or quarantine. So that person who takes care must wear a mask. And third, of course, a health personnel who is taking care of a patient or somebody under treatment or care at the hospital. Otherwise, no healthy person should wear a mask. This is what the advisory issued. We will follow the same.
मजगतीं झेडपी वेंचणुके वेळार जे अधिकारी ड्युटेर आसतले तांणी सगळी आवश्यक जतनाय घेवची, सगळी पोलिंग स्टेशनां सॅनिटायज करून घेवची म्हूण वेंचणूक अधिकाऱ्यांचे निर्देश. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.